Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just somebody who wants to fully understand what your numbers are actually saying, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to be breaking down the accounting basics of business finance. With no jargon, no boring lectures, just a clear explanation that you can actually use. Okay, let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you that your business could be making sales every day and still be losing money, and you wouldn't even know it? That's not a scare tactic. That's what happens when you don't understand basic accounting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how accounting works, why it matters, and how a few simple concepts can completely change how you run your business. All right, you ready? Let's get into it. At its core, accounting is the language of business. Just like you use words to tell a story, accounting uses numbers to tell the story of your business's financial health. It answers questions like, are you actually making a profit? Where is your money coming from? Where is it going? Can you afford to grow, hire, or invest? Accounting isn't about being good at math. It's about tracking, organizing, and understanding financial information so you can make smarter decisions. Every business, no matter how big or how small, revolves around three core financial statements. First, the income statement, simple profit and loss. This is usually the first one people hear about. The income statement shows revenue, your money coming in, expenses, your money going out, profit or loss. What's left? The basic formula is simple. Revenue minus expenses equals profit. But here's the key thing to remember. Profit does not equal cash. You can show a profit on paper while still struggling to pay your bills. And that's why we need the next statement. Number 2, the cash flow statement. Cash flow tracks actual money moving in and out of your business. It answers questions like, do you have enough cash to pay your employees? Can you cover your rent and suppliers? Are customers paying you on time? Cash flow is basically broken into 3 parts. Operating activities, which is your day-to-day business, investing activities, like buying equipment or assets, and financial activities, loans, investors, etc. A profitable business can fail if it runs out of cash. That's why many entrepreneurs say cash is king. The third statement is your balance sheet. The balance sheet shows what your business owns and what it owes at a specific moment in time. It's built on this equation. Assets equals your liabilities plus your equity. Assets, what you own. Cash, inventory, equipment. Liabilities, what you owe. Your loans, your bills, your taxes. And equity is what's left over for the owner. Think of this as a financial snapshot. It tells you how strong or how risky your business really is. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is mixing up revenue and profit. Revenue is not your money. It's the business's money before expenses. Expenses include things like your rent, software, marketing, salaries, taxes. And if you don't track your expenses properly, your profits will lie to you. Accounting helps you see the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. There are 2 main ways to record your transactions. Cash accounting. You record your money when it actually changes hands right there on the spot. It's simple, but it's not always accurate for growing businesses. Then there's accrual accounting. You record revenue whenever it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, even if cash hasn't moved yet. This gives you a more realistic picture of your business, and it is the standard for most companies. Understanding this difference alone can prevent major financial confusion. Accounting isn't just about compliance or taxes either. It helps you understand and answer critical business questions. Should I raise my prices? Can I afford to hire someone? Is this product actually profitable? Where should I cut costs? When you understand your numbers, you stop guessing and you start deciding with confidence. Here's the good news. You don't need to be an accountant to benefit from accounting. You just need to know the basics, track consistently, and review your numbers regularly. Software can help, accountants can help, but understanding the fundamentals is your responsibility as a business owner. Accounting isn't scary, it's powerful. When you understand your finances, you take control of your business instead of letting your business control you. If this video helped to clarify basic accounting for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical business content, and let me know in the comments what financial topic you want to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.